Sir
Hi guys, welcome to our vlog.
Do you want to know? Well, I've been thinking about you. And I think I'll have to listen. Because... Hi guys! So good morning! Another day, another vlog. So for today's video, sasamahan nyo ako sa Binuangan, yung bagong gym ng Isabela City, dahil meron tayong event which is the BWEL, the Basilan Women Legislator. Tama ba? BWEL. Ala, di tama. Okay, cut. But anyway, let's go guys. So, I am with Sir Jay and Kuya Chan. Wow, Power Rangers. So, I am using now the GoPro of Mr. Jay Segovia, Palencia Segovia. Ayan. So, oh, this one is so cute. I look cute. Okay, so let's go inside. Sir Jay, why is this not closed? As in, as the L?
Oh,
okay, so this is Kuya Chan, the Power Ranger. Shing!
hi guys, taray bulog-bulog ulan. Hi guys, welcome to our vlog.
Hi guys, so
Welcome to Isa TV vlog.
Yes.
Shout out.
Shout out. So this is the first vlog of Isa TV. So we have an event. It's 7:22. Kakipag-asin.
Oh, karay bola.
Sure.
Agad pinaka-grande bag tayo.
So we're on our way to Binuangan. So let's get inside the city. Hi po. Hi, good morning everyone. We're here sa City Hall. Let's go inside.
Check yan na yun, sound card. Ano yan? Stay sa no lang.
Hindi man upload sir.
upload sir. Huwag itya ba hindi bigyan mas maledit.
Uy, iyo si Mandy.
Ito?
Vlog sir. Ate Michelle. Very busy. Yes. Hi, Ate SJ. Dito ka sa favorite kay Power Rangers ko.
So melodic and dreaming.
tayo mamaya sa Araneta Coliseum.
Ah. So yeah guys, we're here already sa Libangan. So it's the best part. And yeah, we're just preparing. Sir Kid, Kuya Chan Chan, and Sir Jay are just preparing for the event. And you wanna see around? So that's how, why the park, Isabela City. Ayan. So hi guys, medyo tapos na ako sa vlogs ko. Naglibot na ako. Diyan guys. Yan. Naglibot ko yan lahat and I interviewed them. Hi! Welcome to Isabela City. Welcome to Well 2024. So, as an empowered women, ano ang mensahe niyo po sa kapwa kababaihan niyo po?
Wala lang. Ano lang po? Think positive always. Dapat tuloy lang ang buhay. Piliin pa rin natin maging masaya sa lahat ng bagay.
Yes, that's true. Ayan. So we're just waiting for Mayor's arrival and then the event is gonna kickstart. Ayan. Yes, guys. Ayan. Klaro ba guys? I'm actually really sweaty. Pero not really kasi may aircon naman dito. Pero it's really but I actually enjoyed kasi I've met a lot of people. Empowered women to be exact. Ayan. So that's nice.
May meron nagkakwano store ko.
So, yeah, I think I'll just update you later guys. Madami ng tao yung and I'm just here. Yes, I'll update you later guys. Bye-bye. So, ayan guys. Our city mayor just arrived. Consular doc, basta. Tapos na-interview ko siya guys, usap niya yung mayor. And she's so pretty. As in, nakakaano yung ang ganda ng skin. At least natawag ko ito. She's so pretty. Guys, watch yung episode na ito. It's a special episode. PCTV channel. Yeah. So, channel 18 yan sa PCH cable, mga ka-Isabela. Ayan. So, I think the event is about to start. So, yes.
The Honorable City Chariot Rabin Hatay.
Social Grow at 21. Oh, yan. Hi guys. I'm with Ma'am Nika.
Stress na yan.
Kasi,
Stress na yan.
stress.
Anong stress?
Daw.
Strepsils.
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 Strepsils. Ala, strepsils. Hi, Sir Nat.
Maraming salamat. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi ta'ala wa barakatuhu. Bakit parang tensyonado tayo? Relax, we're very happy. This is our third year na natin sa CBL. The Basilan convention. Ayan. Excited po tayo masyado. Maraming salamat. Sa 3 taon, paganto ngayon na
college, nakipagbuhay ako sa isang fisher folk family, sina Tatay Freddy Ignacio at kanilang pamilya. Naging penpal ko pa.
Back here in our studio. Mom, vlogger you. So hi guys, we're back here. So I wasn't able to update you guys kasi napagod na. Napagod na ako. Kanina wala ng energy and my head is aching. So yeah, eto. Papakilala ko sa inyo si Ma'am Pat. Hello! Hi Ma'am Pat! Ayan. Yan siya, sobrang pagod na ang aming vlogger. Ayan, si Ma'am Pat yung katabi ko. Kahit malayo siya, katabi ko pa rin siya. Ayan, pero ngayon literally nakatabi ko siya. Sana hindi na ibalik yung mesa nila. Oo nga, no. Oo nga, no. So, ayan na. Okay. So, ayan naman guys. Kasama natin dito si Ma'am Eunice. Ayan, the long-time writer of Isa TV. Yeah, so Ma'am Eunice, say hi to my vlog.
Hi, and welcome to the vlog of my birthday, Anakshi.
Sana all pili. Thank you, Ma'am. So, ayan, let's go naman to Lodi Diggs. Happy birthday! Oh.
Hello, thank you sa mga bumati sa akin.
Ayun, thank you daw sa lahat ng bumati. Humingi kayo guys ng pizza, pero nag-deliver siya kanina ng pizza dito.
Yes po. Shy ako, ma'am.
Ayan, shy. But anyway, ayun na nga guys. We have a very long day. And the event is successful. So, yeah. I think dito na lang muna. And I'll just update you sa next vlog. Kung ano mang gusto niyong vlog. Yan. I think sa next vlog, hiramin natin ulit yung GoPro ni Sir Jay. Ayan. So, see you on our next video. Don't forget to hit the like button and the subscribe button. Bye-bye! Mwah!
Cause you know me, know my heart. You're everything on my day. I love the way you know my heart. Yeah, alright. The one to show me now and forever. No, you'll never be alone again. All day, oh yeah, all day. I can let you know that you're my boy. The one to show me if we're together.